talk about this wig, y'all. Okay, so first of all, again, this wig is from WowAfrican. This is their 20-inch. Yep, this is their 20-inch 13x6 tight curly lace frontal wig, y'all. I am feeling this wig. It does come with an undetectable HD lace. It does come with clean bleached knots, so meaning you won't have to worry about bleaching the knots on this wig. I did not do any bleaching on this wig, but you did see me in the video do like a little bit of plucking on the side, but the front of the hairline was plucked perfectly. I have no issues with that. Density on this wig is 150%, and so you guys can definitely see like the tight curls in this wig. The wig was definitely giving me like different textures before I actually washed the hair and before I installed the hair today, defining the curls. It was giving me more so like a deep wave / curly texture. So I was really surprised that the curl pattern actually turned out to be this juicy and this tight. I was expecting for it to be more like a deep wave, but thicker deep wave texture. I will say that even though this hair was on the thicker side, it didn't really require a whole lot of water to get the hair to become detangled, but you will need to section off this hair because it can get really tangled and it can get really big. And as you guys saw at the beginning of the video when I was trying to flat iron the top of this wig or hot comb the top of this wig, you could see that I was struggling because the hair was just really full. Overall, this is a very beautiful, nice quality wig. WowAfrican, I'm trying to think. I don't think I've ever tried a curly wig from them. At least not as of recently, especially with the new HD clear lace wave that's going on right now. So I'm really anxious to see how this wig is going to turn out when it's dry. So I'm going to just go upstairs, do a couple of things, let this hair dry a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what the wig looks like when it is dry. So this is what the hair looks like once the hair is completely dry. I love that it's giving like this wet look, but it's not wet. And as you guys can see, the hair really didn't get too big as the hair dried. It is 100% dry right now, and the curls are super defined. You guys know that I was just mentioning that sometimes a heavy density wig like this, which is 150%, can sometimes be really heavy once you add product and water to the hair. But even though this hair has dried, I have not noticed a difference with the weight and how it feels on my head. Anyways, this was a super quick, easy, convenient wig install. Now, I will say this wig may be okay for beginners, and I say that because number one, the lace does come pre-plucked, it comes pre-bleached, it is a bomb ass lace. Now, when it comes to the hair texture is when it may be a little challenging for someone who may be new to wearing this type of texture, which is a tight curly texture. But it's very simple and easy to keep up the maintenance on this wig. You simply need to, of course, tie your hair down if you decide to secure the wig down. Make sure you section off the hair and either twist or braid each section so that it prevents the hair from getting tangled and you having a hot mess the next day. So with this type of texture, you definitely want to make sure the hair is hydrated, it has enough water, and if you want to add product for definition, then definitely make sure it has enough product. So again, big shout out to WowAfrican Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys, you already know, in the next wig video.